For most people, using AI means going to ChatGPT and typing in the box. That misses 90% of what is actually available. There is a whole ecosystem of AI websites and tools. Most are free. Most are easier than people expect. Direct chat tools, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Grok, all free tiers. Poe lets you compare multiple AIs side by side from one interface. AI-powered search. Perplexity is the strongest AI search engine. You ask a question, it searches the web and summarizes with citations. Better than Google for research tasks. Free version is fine for most uses. Hugging Face is the most important AI website most beginners have never heard of. It is to AI what GitHub is to software, a public library of thousands of AI models. Most beginners don't need to dive in, but knowing it exists is useful. For images, Midjourney leads in beauty. Adobe Firefly integrates with Adobe products. Runway specializes in video. 11 Labs leads in voice. Suno generates full songs. For specific industries, search AI for your industry. There is specialized AI for lawyers, doctors, marketers, real estate agents, almost everyone. For automation, Zapier and Make let you connect AI to other tools. Agent Midas is the multi-agent platform you are already using. A starting toolkit. ChatGPT or Claude as your primary. Poe for comparison. Perplexity for research. ChatGPT or Claude for images at first. Midjourney later. 11 Labs for voice. Suno for music. Then add industry-specific tools as needed. The right approach. Pick a real task. Try one tool. Evaluate. Then decide. Don't subscribe to everything in a frenzy. In the next lesson, you sit down and have your first real conversation with AI.